Today we perform the practical, that is build a single lamp control by 4-point method. Then we see what resource or apparatus required to perform this practical. First, two-way switches required having specification 5 ampere to 30 volt. Then one lamp holder having range 5 ampere to 30 volt. Then casing capping strip made up of PVC. Then copper wire 1 square mm. Then one incandescent lamp having the range 100 watt to 30 volt. Then necessary tools and two intermediate switch having the range 5 ampere to 30 volt. Then see, this one is the two-way switch having 3 terminal. This is also two-way switch. Then this is the intermediate switch and this is also intermediate switch having the 6 terminal or 4 terminal, and this is the lamp. So this practical is similar to 2-point method or 3-point method. The only change is that we can use additional intermediate switch. This is the circuit arrangement for single lamp control by 4-point method. This one is the two-way switch 1, then two-way switch 2, intermediate switch 1 and intermediate switch 2, and this is the lamp control or light control. See, the phase wire is connected to B1 terminal of first two-way switch. Then A1 to 1 terminal of intermediate switch is connected. Then second terminal to first terminal of intermediate switch get connected. Then second terminal to A2 terminal of second two-way switch get connected. Then B2 terminal is connected to directly first terminal of incandescent lamp, and then second terminal of incandescent lamp is connected to neutral. So the connection of intermediate switch is in parallel, okay, because we connect 1, 2, 3, 4 terminal. So the connection of intermediate switch is parallel. See, this is the cross connection of intermediate switch, means series connection. So intermediate switch having 6 terminal, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6. For a series connection or cross connection, we can connect first, second terminal and second and fifth terminal. 1 to 6 and 2 to 5 means series or cross connection switch. This is the practical setup. See, this is the circuit diagram. Okay, this is the cross connection of intermediate switch. See, the phase wire is connected to middle terminal or B1 terminal of first two-way switch. So see, this is the phase wire is connected to B1 terminal of first two-way switch. Then the A1 terminal is connected to third terminal of intermediate switch. See, it is connected to third terminal of intermediate switch. Then we can make the cross connection, that is first and sixth terminal is connected, and then second and fifth terminal get connected. See, we can connect first to 6 and second to 5. Then fourth terminal is connected to the C1 terminal of first two-way switch. See, it is connected to C1 terminal of first two-way switch. Then second terminal of this intermediate switch is connected to third terminal of second intermediate switch. See, we can connect second terminal to third terminal of second intermediate switch. Then we can make the cross connection similar to first two-way switch. So we can connect first and second, then first and sixth, then second and fifth. Then the fourth terminal of this intermediate switch is connected to sixth terminal of first intermediate switch. So we can connect fourth terminal to sixth terminal of first intermediate switch. Then second terminal of second intermediate switch is connected to A2. Then sixth terminal is connected to C2. See, second terminal is connected to A2 and sixth terminal is connected to C2. And then the middle terminal or B2 terminal of second two-way switch is connected to first terminal of incandescent lamp. See, the B1 terminal is connected to first terminal of incandescent lamp, and then the second terminal is connected to neutral. So the second terminal of this incandescent lamp is connected to neutral. So this is the actual practical setup. So in this practical, we can change the position of these four switches, that is both two-way switch and both intermediate switch, and check the lamp condition, either glow or not glow, by changing the position of these four switches. So this is the observation table, or this is the connection arrangement for intermediate switch. So this is the parallel connection, or this is the series connection or cross connection. So in our practical, we can make the cross connection. Then in observation table, first position of two-way switch number 1, second position of two-way switch number 2, then position of intermediate switch number 1, position of intermediate switch number 2, and then check lamp condition. So we can change the position of these four switches and check the lamp status. So control 4-point method. 4 different places we can control the single lamp. Also perform different types of electrical wiring activities.